Cilanters. Each coconut is inspected. Damaged or immature coconuts are removed. Only fully matured coconuts, rich
High-powered dehusking machines strip away the tough outer husk. These fibrous husks are collected separately for industrial reuse.
Next, the hard shells are cracked open. Inside lies the valuable coconut kernel, also known as copra, the raw material for coconut oil.
The coconut meat is thoroughly washed and sanitized to remove impurities, ensuring food-grade quality for oil extraction. To extract oil efficiently, moisture must be removed. The coconut meat is dried into copra using controlled heat.
The dried copra is fed into heavy-duty screw presses. Under intense pressure, coconut oil is
mechanically extracted, thousands of liters every hour. In large-scale factories, a secondary solvent extraction may be used to recover every remaining drop of oil, maximizing yield and efficiency.
The raw oil is filtered, centrifuged, and refined. Impurities, odors, and color compounds are removed.
Each batch undergoes strict quality testing for purity, acidity, and moisture, meeting international food and cosmetic standards.
The finished coconut oil is bottled for cooking, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and industrial use, ready for global distribution.
Nothing goes to waste. Every byproduct of the coconut is repurposed.
Coconut husk fibers are transformed into coir, compressed, bonded, and molded into durable, eco-friendly shoe soles used by sustainable footwear brands. Coconut shells become activated charcoal. Pressed copra cake becomes animal feed. Even wastewater is treated and reused.
One fruit. Endless possibilities. This is the power of the modern coconut factory.